want? What?
I didn't tell him to throw it, baby. I just told him to get you a treat. Come on, love. Come on, baby.
Better taste, better nutrition, better eggs.
Buddy, here we go. Got it.
Do you want it? Yeah. Yeah. Ooh, 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 ooh. Do you want it? Are you ready? There's dog friends. Go say hi to the dog friends.
Hey, Kitty, buddy.
Aww.
Murphy. 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 Murphy.
My dog literally copies everything I do. When I look at the ceiling, she looks at the ceiling. When I bark, she barks. Poof. When I cry, she cries.
Well, I guess I'll sit on the floor then, shall I? Where am I gonna sit? Don't you wag your tail at me, you stole my spot. So did you? So did you? And so did you. You're good dogs though, aren't you? I guess I'll sit on the floor. Yeah? Okay. Okay. Bye-bye. Yeah? Yeah. Yeah. You're good girls, aren't you? No, you're gonna take his bone. Oh my God. Get you, don't let her take your bone. She can't get it. Oh, she caught it. Wally, did she take your bone? Do you want a new one?
Bloody hell, Tigger! Oh, are you gonna get down?
Didn't I tell you that again? Didn't I tell you? Didn't I? Didn't I? Didn't I tell you? Didn't I? Didn't I tell you not to do that? Didn't I? Didn't I? Didn't I tell you?